Here are 9 vegetables that are high in vitamin E, along with their approximate percentage and data per gram. Please note that the vitamin E content may vary slightly depending on factors such as growing conditions, freshness, and preparation methods. Spinach. Spinach contains approximately 2.03% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 2.03 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Swiss chard. Swiss chard contains about 1.89% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.89 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Kale. Kale contains approximately 1.54% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.54 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Turnip greens. Turnip greens contain about 1.39% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.39 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Mustard greens. Mustard greens contain approximately 1.44% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.44 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Collard greens. Collard greens contain about 1.17% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.17 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Beet greens. Beet greens contain approximately 1.19% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 1.19 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Broccoli. Broccoli contains about 0.78% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 0.78 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. Asparagus. Asparagus contains approximately 0.87% vitamin E per 100 grams, providing around 0.87 milligrams of vitamin E per gram. It's important to consume a varied and balanced diet to obtain all essential nutrients, including vitamin E, in recommended amounts.